it sees me. It's not that far away. There's a little pond right here. Hotel over there. Oh, here comes another deer. She got a rack. Oh, she got a rack. What's this, a little 2-pointer or something? We got 3 on there. 3. Well, almost a button buck. Man, this would be a killer hunting spot. They walk from that woods right there across that woods, and they can't see it because that hill. Hell, I'm talking over here. Ain't you see me?